Once upon a time, in a lush forest, a kind squirrel named Sam found an injured bird with a broken wing. Feeling sorry for it, Sam brought the bird to his tree, cared for it, and fed it until it could fly again. Before leaving, the bird said, "Thank you, Sam. If you ever need my help, I'll be there." One day, a fierce storm destroyed Sam's home. Feeling helpless, he sat by the fallen tree when the bird appeared with a flock of friends. Together, they rebuilt Sam's home stronger than before. From that day, Sam and the bird became best friends, always helping one another. Moral of the story: kindness creates bonds that last a lifetime. Helping others brings help when you need it most.